All right, mathematicians, let's get started. The tally chart below is a record of the number of days rain fell in Kira City during the months of March, April, May, and June. What is the difference between the number of days rain fell during March and June? Let's look at our data table. So we're looking at a tally chart. We know that each tally represents 1. So I can count this off. This is a group of 5. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to write 14 beside here. April has 5, 10, 11, 12. May has got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And June has a total of 5. So we've labeled our tally chart. Now let's take a look at our question again. What is the difference? What are we talking about when we're talking about difference in math? We're comparing, and so we're subtracting the difference between the number of days rain fell during March. So we need to look here. And June. So we want to know how much more rain fell in one of these 2 months. We want to compare them. So let's set up our subtraction problem. So March has 14. And June has 5. Pause the video and subtract that. All right, so we look at this. We've got 4 ones. We need to take 5 ones away, so I need to regroup. I'm going to take from the tens place. I'm going to carry that right over here. So I already had 4 ones plus the 10 that I bring from the tens place. I've got 14 ones. I need to take 5 ones away. What does that give me? 9. All right. And then I don't have any tens. So my best answer choice is D, 9. Okay, so let's check out our next one. Charlie earns $7 per hour helping at the horse stable. What is the amount he earns if he worked 3 hours each day for 4 days this week? Okay, so let's kind of break that down, thinking about what do we know? Who's this story about? It's about Charlie. Yeah, he's earning some money. So I know that he earns $7 per hour. So every hour that he works, he's going to get $7. Okay, think about that. So what is the amount he earns if he works 3 hours each day for 4 days this week? So thinking about, do I know my total or am I looking for my total? Okay. Right, I'm looking for my total. So I need to find how much money he's going to make. And I may need to do this in more than one step. So I want you to think about, what can I start with? What do I know? Well, I know he works 3 hours each day. And I know he does that for 4 days. So 3 hours per day. And he does it for 4. So I've got 3 groups of 4. What's 3 times 4? Right, that's 12. Okay, so I could stop there, but I didn't answer my question. I know the amount of hours he's worked over 4 days. But now what do I need to know? I need to know how much money he makes. So if he works a total of 12 hours, what does he make for every hour that he works? Right, he makes $7. So what could I do to find out how much money he makes altogether? Am I wanting to add, or do I want to multiply? I want to multiply because I'm talking about per hour. So every hour he works, he's going to get $7. And we found that he worked for 12 hours this week. So I want you to multiply 12 times 7. You can do it by breaking it up, 10 plus 2, and multiply each part by 7. Or you can do it in this standard algorithm way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We need to pause the video and come back when you're ready. So let's look at 7 times 2. 7 groups of 2 is 14. So I'm going to leave my ones. I'm going to regroup my 10. I've got 7 ones times 10. That's 70 plus one more group of 10, which gives me 84. Let's check to see if we did it correctly. Then it should equal 84. So 10 times 7, 70. And 2 times 7 is 14. Put that together. My total is 84. So let's make sure our answer is reasonable. So $7 for every hour he works. We found out that he worked 3 hours each day for 4 days, and that gave me 12 hours. And then I took those 12 hours and I multiplied them by 7 for how much money I make per hour. And I have a total of 84. Great job today, guys.